Oh, I didn't see you there. Welcome to Mark's Kitchen. We weren't expecting any guests tonight. Yeah, I just thought I'd stop in, and my name's Mark too, so I just thought I'd come in and hang out, dude. Can I interest you in 1.8 pound ribeye? Yeah, I mean, I'd actually love a ribeye. Sounds great. How would you like that cooked, sir? Let me think. I'd like that medium rare to medium. That'd be sick, dude. Any sides or anything like that for you today? Nah, just the big fatty steak will work, man. You know what? Since there's nobody else here, why don't you come back with me and we can show you how to cook a ribeye here. Okay, I guess I'll come back to the kitchen. Follow me. Before we get started, here's what you're gonna need to cook a real nice ribeye. Today we're going to be doing a method called the reverse sear method. We don't make mistakes here at Mark's Kitchen. Crust is an absolute must when it comes to a steak. You definitely don't want to put the steak in the oven for too much time.
That's a spice pun, my guy.
You better believe it. We're going to generously season this beautiful piece of meat. Flip and repeat. We're going to put on a wire rack to come to room temperature. Please be advised, I do not have a regular wire rack, so I use this janky tinfoil version. Throw it in a 275 degree oven for about 45 minutes to get the internal temperature to 120. Now that the steak's at 120, we are ready to sear. Now we're gonna let this rest. So we cooked this about a medium. Still got that even peak. That's why you reverse sear. Well, I was promised a 1.8 pound ribeye, but all I get is this little strip, but I'll try it. Magic. Real nice right there. Real nice right there. Thank you guys for tuning in. You already know what they say. If you could do it in Mark's kitchen, you could do it in your kitchen. Peace.